Here's a 2017 or 2018 Lexus QX70. I'll have to look at the back here. Oh yeah, I was right. QX70. Yeah, that's a pretty cool car. I have never done one of these, except that one where it was a sedan and it was really quick for what it was. So let's go fire her up. Just check out the inside. It has those key access code thing. This thing is really cool. I like it. It's got the black leather interior. It's brand stinking new. It's another rental vehicle. So, oh my gosh, this thing is so tight and I can't even fit in here. All right, there's the push button start. Navigation. All right, all you have to do, keep the key fob on you, start her up. Oh wow, I have to get an exhaust clip. This thing sounds good. Wow. This is incredible. Wow, this thing is so cool. Let's pop the freaking hood. Hazards. And headlights. This will be pretty cool. And it shows you that the key is left the vehicle. You may hear that every beep. There you go. And it won't let you drive away or something like that. Just show you the headlights first. I forgot to show the fog lights. I didn't even know I had fog lights. Let's show that. Oh yeah, look at this. There's fog lights and everything. Pretty cool. Show you under the hood of this thing. There we go. Ooh, V6. Nice. Dual air filters. Nice. This thing is beautiful. Not bad. Alright, shut up car. I'll get the key in the car. There you go. Wait a minute. Alright, turn it off. Did we get it on automatic? Yes, we did. Not bad. Let's give her one more rev. Sounds great. Great vehicle. Alright, be quiet, car. Wow, this is awesome. Let's hop in the back and see what's up with this. Ooh, power outlet. Ooh, sunroof. I gotta show you guys that sometime. Here, let me just pull it out. There's the beautiful sky. This is a roomy trunk. Come with the subwoofer. I highly doubt it. Ooh, another power outlet. That's pretty cool. Enjoy, you guys. Thanks for watching.